Progress in foster care often looks small. An empty bowl. The first playful bat at a toy. But those tiny moments add up. From wet and underweight to healthy, curious, and affectionate. Andromeda is now relaxing in her very own home with a loving family. It took dozens of people and a collective care network to get her there, from trapping and intake to medical support and foster coordination. Andromeda's story isn't rare. There are thousands of cats fighting to survive outside in New York City. We can't just hope that each one of these magical creatures finds the support they need. So we're building a better system together, where more New Yorkers can give more cats the life they all deserve. And our donors and supporters are such a critical part of that team. Thank you for making all of this work possible.